Woohoo! All right. Good kick.
Oh, did that wear you out?
Now he's rolling, rolling, rolling. Now he's laying on the grass, looking at the clouds. Hey, where'd you go? Where'd you go? I need him.
Sleeping on the grass.
I need him.
Sleeping on the grass.
Oh, okay.
Wait. I missed school. Did I miss school?
Did you miss school?
Teacher, I'm back.
Teacher, I'm back.
Well, it's about time. Sit down. It's time to do your lesson. What is 1 plus 1? 2. That's right. What is 2 plus 2? I thought you already said that. No, I said 1 plus 1. What's 2 plus 2? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. What's 4 plus 4? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Eli,
8.
where is your face?
You can have recess.
Where is your face?
Oh, you skipped.
I know.
What's the matter, Eli?